In this vlog, we're gonna take a tour of the bungalows at the Polynesian. What do you think? You excited about this?
Yes, I'm excited. I wish I was staying there.
Yeah. So we got, staying at the Polynesian, we got a phone message saying that we could tour the bungalows while we're staying here. So we're gonna do that, see what it's like. We've never been in one.
No.
Would like to.
Yep.
Just see what it's all about, and we're gonna share it all with you.
Yeah.
So
Check
come
it out.
along with us. So here's the master bedroom. It's like a king-size bed. Nightstand with drawers. Yeah, nice desk there. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at the artwork over the headboard, Meredith. Yep, and looks like there's some more drawers here in the closet. That's really nice.
Yeah.
The TV, nice ceiling fan, and you get your own bathroom. Oh, look at this. What is that, like a jacuzzi tub?
Looks like it.
Stand-in shower.
And yeah, stand shower, rain shower. Looks like a jacuzzi.
Take a look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it, huh?
Yep. And right here.
And you can watch TV
While you get ready.
while you're getting ready. That's so cool.
And this door here is the water closet.
Wow. So this is the master bedroom, which is really, really nice. The other thing I'm gonna point out with the master bedroom, it looks like you have a door to go out to the outdoor balcony. See that, Meredith?
Yep.
I'm sure they'll let us go up there. So this room here is, you have a view of the Ticket and Transportation Center. But this is cool. So this is the secondary room. I think queen size bed. Beautiful. Get the end tables. And look at this, you can sit right by the window here, and I think those windows open up. So that's nice. This room gets its own TV, and it does have that pull-out bed right there, like we have in our studio room. Nice ceiling fan. And this is the closet. Plenty of space for your clothes or whatever you want to store in here. So I think they said this place sleeps up to 8. Really, really nice. And to show you the view from outside there. I like this artwork. Get your washer and dryer here, right? So here's the other bathroom, Meredith.
Yep, there's a shower tub combo.
Shower tub, yep. Not as nice as the one that's in the master bedroom, but it's doable when you have multiple people here. And that's nice too. What's this?
Your typical closet.
Extra blankets. Yeah, you get the ironing board.
Yep.
Nice. Just show this all again. Lovely. Look at this kitchen. This is a nicer kitchen than I have in my house. What do you think, Meredith?
Oh yeah.
What do you think of the table?
Nice.
So, look at that big dining room table there. Get the nice fridge for all your stuff. What's that? So this is the range, right?
Yeah.
And that's over the, what did I, that's like a microwave over the range, or?
Microwave. And it looks like it has a pull-out cedar sofa and another pull-down. And look at the metaphor.
So this is the living room area. So we think the couch probably pulls out. And that does as well. Look at that. Wow, I wouldn't mind sleeping there, Meredith.
Just
You know
because it has
that.
electric on.
Yeah. I like the artwork here too. See that?
Oh yeah, take them.
Beautiful. So there's some swings. So that's the door from the master bedroom. Go on some swings there. Come out here, they have the fireworks. See the fireworks right from your own deck. Get some sun there. You can eat outside. That's cool. And this is lovely, Meredith, huh? Your own little pool, hot tub. At nighttime, like sitting in here and getting the view of the fireworks. Look at that. Sitting there watching the fireworks. This is awesome. Wish you had enough points to stay here multiple days. And if you stay at one of these bungalows, right, you have all these other bungalows here, but all of them seem to have a good view of the park, Meredith.
Yeah.
I just imagining right now sitting in that hot tub, whirlpool, whatever that was outside, at nighttime, was watching the fireworks over Cinderella's castle.
Or sitting in the swing. Just
Yeah. So,
I can imagine myself with a nice chai tea latte sit there. That'd be awesome.
so here's some more bungalows. And I have to say, I really enjoyed that tour marathon, being able to go around. So I think maybe we should see if there's any others available for us to look at. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe Grand Floridian, maybe
Yes.
Riviera,
Yeah.
places we haven't seen before.
Yeah, we haven't toured the rooms yet there, so that would be interesting to see.
Yeah, and then we'll share that with you. And maybe it'll get you to want to buy more points. Especially if there's discounts, it might be worth it.
Yeah.
You know, do once in a lifetime trip at one of those nice luxury
A bucket
rooms.
list trip.
A bucket list trip, yeah. And look, the ferry boat coming from the Magic Kingdom with Space Mountain in the background. Thanks to Disney for allowing us to take a tour of the bungalows at the Polynesian. It was a lot of fun, wasn't it? So it's something they're offering all its members to do. We may check out a couple others while we're here.
Yeah.
And we'll vlog it and we'll share it with you so you can see what it's like.
It was lots of fun.
They said next month, for September, it's 115 points a night. That would almost take up a allotment of points.
Yeah.
But it is tempting just to stay here once.
Yeah, just once.
So you never know.
Yep.
So hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, see you real soon. Bye.